The HyperX Cloud 3 gaming headset doesn't have a physical mic volume dial. Instead, adjustments are made through software on your PC, console, or mobile device. This video will guide you through the process of increasing your mic volume for clear game chat and voice communication. First, connect your HyperX Cloud 3 to your PC using either USB-C or Bluetooth. Download and install the latest version of HyperX Ingenuity software from the official HyperX website. This software is essential for adjusting mic settings on PC. The most recent version is v3.4.0. First, open the HyperX Ingenuity software on your computer. Navigate to the Microphone tab in the software interface. Here, you'll find a mic volume slider. Adjust this slider to increase or decrease your microphone volume. For additional boost, enable the Voice Boost mode, which amplifies your input by up to 20 dB without distortion. Finally, ensure your microphone firmware is up to date for the best performance. For Windows, open Sound Settings from the Control panel or search for it. Go to the Input tab, select your HyperX Cloud 3 microphone, adjust the levels using the slider, and test using the Microphone Test tool to ensure clear volume. On macOS, open System Preferences, navigate to Sound, click the Input tab, select the HyperX Cloud 3 as your input device, and adjust the input volume slider to set the microphone level appropriately. On PlayStation 5 or 6, navigate to Settings, then Sound and Screen, and select Audio Output. From there, adjust the microphone level using the slider to increase the volume for your HyperX Cloud 3 mic. On Xbox Series X or S, access the dashboard and go to Settings. Select Devices and Accessories, then choose your HyperX Cloud 3 headset. In the Audio section, adjust mic monitoring and volume levels as needed. For Android devices, start by pairing your HyperX Cloud 3 via Bluetooth. Then open the Settings app and navigate to Accessibility, then Hearing. Here, you can adjust mono audio or live caption settings that affect microphone gain. Alternatively, go to Settings, Sound, Advanced to directly adjust microphone sensitivity. Keep in mind that the exact menu location may vary depending on your Android version. For iOS devices like iPhone or iPad, first connect your headset through Bluetooth settings. Then open Settings and go to Accessibility, where you can select hearing devices or live listen to enable and adjust microphone sensitivity. As another option, navigate to Settings, Sounds, and Haptics and adjust the ringer and alerts volume, which can impact microphone gain. Remember that settings may differ based on your iOS version. After making these adjustments, test your microphone in a voice recording app to confirm the volume is set appropriately for clear communication. If your microphone volume is still too low after basic adjustments, try these troubleshooting steps. First, check for firmware updates on the headset to ensure you have the latest fixes. Second, disable noise suppression in your software settings, as this feature might be reducing the microphone volume automatically. Finally, if using a 3.5mm adapter, make sure it's securely connected and compatible with your setup. Enable side tone in apps like Discord to hear your own voice and prevent shouting. For esports, set your mic volume to around 70 to 80% for optimal clarity and background noise filtration. Regularly test and adjust your settings for the best experience. If problems persist, consult HyperX support or online forums for further assistance. You've now mastered HyperX Cloud 3 mic volume setup.